Wow. This is our hotel in South Sella, Silsa, and Ephesus. It's very antique. Nice to meet you, Nina.
Welcome, see you.
Yes, here.
Yes.
Look at this. This is so cute. The mirror. The bathroom.
Yes, but if you want to go to the train station, you go down main road, you cross the road, you go right. Yes.
There's a market.
Yes.
Nice.
It's okay.
I do like this.
Welcome.
Okay.
We continue.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Ang ganda ang Mediterranean.
Oh, yeah, Mediterranean. Yeah. Look at this. You can build a house like
Ay,
this.
ito. Mabubuhay ito kahit walang araw niya. Yung cactus. Karabira. Yung halaman sa bahay. Buhay sa tubig.
This is the rooftop. Oh boy. We can hang out and chill in here. I love this one. We can get an idea. We can get an idea. No? Ha?
Narinig mong pinag-usapan namin?
Oo.
Pwede tayo kung early like mga 9 o'clock.
May bus.
Or 10. Oo, may bus
Okay,
pa raw.
let's change dyan sa Basilica.
Go down, malapit lang dito daw.
Okay.
Ang bus. Hindi daw doon.
Okay.
Kasi ganun siya, not there. Not there, not there.
Okay.
Itong angle na ito, hinagaw ko yung angle.
Yeah.
Go down lang daw.
Behind these mountains over there is the Ephesus, the House of Mary, and the terrace house. This is so beautiful. I love this one.
Parang din kita.